Well, here we have a little bit of a center. This train was easier to cross the line, yeah? Here we have a little bit of a center, yeah? There seems like it's something related to the airport. I don't know why, but there's there's a restaurant. I'll try to see it here later nights. There are some choices here, and it's motor-free space. So, thank goodness, I'll try to do it. And there are many things. There are some local people selling avocados, and that's it. Let's try to join now the market, right? There is something like a church over that way. That here they say iglesia. I'll try. Let's see. We're gonna join, huh? Let's see. Maybe I don't know if I will be able to. I'll be able to record, but let's try. I'll try to record in a way that people don't really see that I'm recording. Oh, some items are default, yeah. I think this champagne and fan we already saw over there. Yeah, these items are default, yeah. Yeah, I think so. But okay, we also do have Red Bull. So Max Verstappen is from everywhere. Corona, we do have it. And we do also have some local beers. By the way, I think it's global. This is Heineken also. It's another beers. We have some sort of aguardente. I don't know what exactly this is, but it seems like it's a drink. In fact, it is. We have this milk and chocolates. Here goes some prices that you might convert. We have some Nestle. Have in mind, of course, that those places that are not locally at times expensive, yeah, because they're important. You have to have in mind that Punta Cana, República Dominicana, is an island, yeah, a southern island for those geography, yeah? And those important things, of course, yeah, expensive. You see, 85 bucks. Yeah, not a ship. I think, as I have seen here, this is one of the biggest markets here in Punta Cana. So probably this price is a little bit of lower than comparing to others, right? But okay, here we have some eggs that you might see as part of the basic foods, yeah. And here goes the prices. Not the ship. In fact, not the ship here. I think so. At least based on Brazil prices, not that much ship. We have juices here, as you might see. Creme de leche. This is a milk cream. You might usually use to do this to do. They say pastels, cakes. In fact, o jugo de naranja. It means orange juice. This is a pure. Yeah, there is no another juices like apple juice mixed on that. You usually make it cheaper, but you also have apple juice here, manzana they say, the lemonade, but here doesn't show the prices. Okay then, we also have this ice cream. There are many flavors like vanilla, macaron. I don't know what this flavor means. Then I have those blueberry and so. But this is a little bit of expensive, right? 505. It's not that cheap. But okay. As I said, things that are not made here naturally are not cheap. We have those things that I don't think you guys who are coming, we're gonna eat every day, so it doesn't really care. There are some local food. Pollo, como sempre. The meat, they are, well, I will not comment it, but they are a little bit of strange. I don't really recommend you to try. I don't. There are apples, you see, fruits. Fruits here, we might say, are very expensive. At least based on Brazil prices. You might convert it. I don't know where you come from, if it's cheap or not. But you see here, as I said, doing let's say a fast conversion, it would cost 12 pounds, 12 real bucks, 12 Brazilian reais, which is very expensive in Brazil. No, it's not that expensive. I don't know. Of course, once more I said this is an island. Probably they don't produce fruits here, so naturally this is expensive. You see? There are lemons. Yeah, as they say, this is imported. Yeah, price. So naturally, this is not made here. Things would be expensive naturally. Okay? We have a couple of clothes and some Christmas things. Do you want a hair? They do have hair. In case you are a bald, yeah. Yeah, for some reason. We have some TVs. I don't know if people would buy TVs here, but there are anyway. Maybe this is I would say that this is a gift from Christmas, but I don't think so because there are prices here. And you might see this is this is a Google TV. I haven't seen. This is wow, 11,000 bucks. Wow. Yeah, I don't know if that's from this kind of TV. This is not even an Android TV, seems like that. I looked for a GoPro, but I don't think so with their available. Purses. Oh, Mom was looking for one. I don't know if I buy one here or buy on the duty-free store, you know. Yeah, because this is, I don't know. There are, not even prices here. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's see what else we seen here. We have some shirts, jeans, and also some polo. Not polo this time. Some shirts, more jeans. This is not bad. I think this might be a little bit of hot. There are US polo. Is this original, genuine? I don't know, but okay. There are more clothes here. Yeah, you see? This is good. Many clothes, huh? Many colors, different colors. But okay, let's see what else do we have here. In fact, I'm here just to buy water. Because something else that I don't recommend when you're coming from Latin America is drink water straight from the faucet. I mean, if you do this, you might die. I don't know how do you do in America, but at least in Brazil, I have used it to drink water straight from the faucet. Because in Brazil, at least where the place I live in São Paulo, people have this using of drink water, and it's okay because water over there is treated. Usually here, at least what I saw, I don't recommend you doing that. Yeah, because you're doing that, maybe you want to leave enough, yeah? Next to Carnival, as we say in Brazil. This is a common expression because Carnival is an annually party that we have there in Brazil, and if you don't see the next to Carnival, it's because you died before. Right? I hope YouTube doesn't give me a strike from saying those words. Look, I think this is papaya. It seems like papaya. I haven't seen it before. Yeah, lechuza. No, I don't think it's papaya. Anyway, let's see from the water. Yeah? Where do we see the water? It felt. Oh, somebody gotta get a punch. Aguardente for those who enjoy. And the only one thing that I can see here, right? Water. Here we have a couple of waters. This doesn't seem to be water. Is this? Yeah, it is water. It seems to be aguardente, but I think it's just mineral water. Yeah. So, I just buying this water. This is cheaper, and this is also so water. Yeah, I don't know if there's Canadian Dry. I just bought soda in Chile, in Santiago, in Chile. If I'm not wrong, I'm not saying any mistake, I think I just bought a Pina soda. This is club soda, but I'm not sure the flavor. What this is? Is that a flavor? I don't know. I think this is water, in fact. Yeah, strange, but I don't know. So these are the flavors here. We have Pepsi Cola, and this is probably a local drink, Koala Real, Red Rock. Red Rock, there are in many places. I think it's something related to Pepsi. I think so, not sure. Because even on Taco Bell, there is this flavor. Yeah? These are drinks, drinks, many drinks. Vanilla Negra, I don't know. I think this is sort of a sauce. Nutella, we do have here also. Probably there must be so very expensive. 915 bucks. Whoa, this is not that shit. But okay, anyway. Coconut water. Probably this comes from Brazil, huh? Água de coco. Probably. Let's see. No, this is local made, yeah. Dominican Republic. This is the price, yeah. Maraschino cherry. Oh, look at that. This is authentic usually. Because I don't know if you guys know, sometimes in Brazil, this is not a really cherry. Sometimes this is another fruit that they put here. Yeah? It's funny, but that's what happens in Brazil. Yeah? You have some Gatorades, some pineapple in can, and many other things. Yeah? But here we are from the water, folks. Let's get it. You just see if it's not broken, right? It doesn't seem to be. We got here. And let's find out. Yeah, I'm not wearing any boots. Whatever. Let's pay.